Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix easy anti-cheat not installed in Fortnite. If you're stuck with that frustrating error and can't get into the game, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to fix it. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. Launch Epic Games Launcher, navigate to the library page. Now, you will see the Fortnite game. Click on three dots, click on Manage. Now, navigate to the option Installation. A new folder will open up. Click on Fortnite game folder. Navigate to the option Binaries. Click on Win64. From this list, find Easy Anti-Cheat. Now right-click on this one option, exe file. Then create shortcut. Now right-click on that shortcut file and select the option of Properties. Now in this box, you're gonna find the option of Target. Over there, give space and then type in Repair. Hit OK. Now go ahead and double-click on that shortcut. As now it has been installed, your problem will be fixed. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.